I met the AWS team back in December 2015. And one of my biggest areas of skepticism was migration, because during that time we were a scaled application, and pretty much the biggest challenge is for a scaled application to suddenly migrate to another data center. And I think one of the things that AWS team does really well is not only give you the value proposition of its platform, but also gives you a great playbook to migrate. So we were able to migrate within 3 to 4 months' time all our applications, about 40 of them. The migration was smooth, and by May of 2016, we were completely on the AWS cloud. After Amazon, now we can deploy within 30 to 60 minutes. So I think that's the first very, very important aspect for any consumer internet business, which is putting features in front of its customers all the time. With the partnership with AWS, we're able to do auto scaling. So as the traffic scales, the whole system auto scales, and as the traffic normalizes, it further goes down, right? Our applications have become more performant because the server-side architecture is much better. We have, and if the latency reduces to the end customer, there's always going to be a better user experience, which leads to better net promoter score, better conversion rates. So that's the third thing. The fourth very important thing that we have worked with AWS is on putting our big data Redshift onto the whole platform, which enables us to access data real time, which is really important for us to constantly make decisions. One is the serverless architecture, basically us being able to real-time deploy code. I think that will further increase the velocity of execution. I like the tool which Werner talked about, which is this whole developer tool plus the project management tool. I think that was mind-blowing. I would definitely look at it. Other than that, I would look at Lambda, which is another tool. Things like artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. And last but not the least is this big pain area, which we still have, to be honest, is delivering large volume of notifications to a large volume of concurrent transacting user bases. So I think those are things which we need to still leverage. We need to learn a lot.